What I wish I knew about Nigerian politics in the 80s. Let's dive in. On January 17th, 1983, Nigeria witnessed a new stage of political rivalry. It was the day Ojukwu openly challenged Zik. But who were they? Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, Nigeria's first president, had re-established himself as the paramount political leader in eastern Nigeria after the civil war ended in 1970. But then came Ojukwu, former leader of the defunct Biafran Republic, announcing his return to partisan politics. And he had his sights set on opposing Zik's party, the Nigerian People's Party, or NPUSP. Ojukwu didn't just stop at words. He proved his street credibility with a massive rally at Enyimba Stadium in Aba. Thousands gathered and the political landscape was forever changed. Want to know more about the origins of this intense rivalry? Check out my video, Zik vs Ojukwu, the full story. Link in the description note. And hey, if you found this interesting, give it a like and share. It helps immensely.